Rules at Home by Travis Schaefer, illustrated by Carice Thiel. Rules are important. Rules can keep us safe. Rules can keep things organized. Rules can help everyone. We have rules at home. Rule 1. Keep doors locked. Rule 2. Do not leave the refrigerator open. Rule 3. Put away toys each day. Rule 4. Do not open the door to strangers. Rule 5. Phones off at the dinner table. Rule 6. Put dirty dishes in the dishwasher. Rule 7. Brush your teeth before bed. Rule 8. Turn off lights before bed. We follow rules at home every day. The end.